For those who attend my session from the beginning or those who haven't attended, please listen to me carefully. Take a deep breath and listen to me carefully now. CD markers: immature 34, mature 45, lymphoblast TDT and 34, mature white blood cells 45, immature 34, mature 45, B cells 19, T cells 3, NK cell 16, monocyte 414 64. ठीक है? Then RBC, glycophorin, platelets 41, 40 to 61. Second concept was whenever tumor comes from the immature cells, acute leukemia, mature cells, chronic leukemias. So AML marker is 34 MPO, ALL marker is 34 TDT, BLL 1934 TDT, TLL 334 TDT, NKLL 1634 TDT. Mature cell marker is 45 positive, 34 negative. If myeloid, MPO positive. If lymphoid, it should be B के लिए 19, T के लिए 3, N के 16. Now we discuss the AML classification. How I told you, remember? 16. Half is 821, 15, 17, 16, 16. All these three are called as AML respective of blast percentage. Among this I told you, remember, PML RARA, it is treated by ATRA, all trans retinoic acid. Okay. Now about AML with myelodysplasia. Dysplasia is abnormal cells and has poor prognosis. If patient has AML after treatment, therapy, poor prognosis. If the patient has a CML and has more than 20% blast, is nowadays considered as AML. Next, AML with germline, matlab Down syndrome, has transient M7, good prognosis. ALL, one blast, two marker, biphenotypic, two different blasts, mixed phenotypic. Done. Then about AML defined by differentiation. Differentiation में क्या हुआ? With, how to remember? Without differentiation, M0. With differentiation, M1. With maturation, M2. बीच में promyelocytic. Myelomono, M4. Mono only, M5. Erythroblastic, M6. Megaloblastic, M7. Clear? Poorest, M0. Best, M2. Chloroma M2, M5, M4. Gum hyperplasia or leukemia cutis, M5 more than M4. Down syndrome, transient, M7. Done. Finish. आगे बढ़ते. Prognosis, ALL. How to remember? 2 years to 9 years, good prognosis. Females have better prognosis. Low count, good. High count, poor. L1-5, good. In the translocations, remember, 12, ulta karo 21, good. Everything else, bad. What is bad? 514, 922, variable 11. Hyperdiploidy, good. Hyperdiploidy, poor. Response treatment, within 7 days, good. More than 28 days, poor. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन आया था MRD, minimal residual disease. If this is there, poor prognosis. No disease, good prognosis. Then we move to the lymphoma. क्या याद करें lymphoma में? The tumor which comes from the mature lymphocyte is lymphoma. If a tumor comes from naive B cells, CLL, mantle cell lymphoma, GC के लिए follicular DLB cell Burkitt, from post GC, CLL again. So now from this we remember the CD markers. If the question is for CLL, marker is 5 positive also and 23 also. 5, 23 both is CLL. 5 only mantle cell lymphoma. Follicular DLB cell Burkitt has 5 negative, 10 positive. From plasma cell is 38 positive. Plasma cell is 38 positive. Now, come to the Burkitt lymphoma. In Burkitt lymphoma, we see mandible swelling with the African boy. These are the vacuolations, and this is starry sky appearance. Hairy cells में, look at the hairy projections and look at the nucleus with hairy projections here. They contain Golgi bodies and endoplasmic reticulum. In multiple myeloma, we see rouleau formation and we see the grape cell here. The Hoff inflamed cell, that's a multiple myeloma. They show what? Same thing. Endoplasmic reticulum and they show Golgi bodies. Now look at the chromosome 14. अब देखो. What happens in all lymphoma will show translocation with chromosome 14. How to remember? This is with unique chromosome 13 q deletion, but elsewise mantle में single L, BCL1, 1 is on 11, 11, 14. Follicle में double L, BCL2, chromosome 18, 14, 18. DLBCL, BCL6, chromosome 3, 3, 14. Burkitt में B, B के बाद C, and B looks at number 8, so 8, 14, 2, 8, and 8, 22. Marginal has BCL6, has almost 114, always also has 14, 18. Here is a leukemia, has a BRAF positivity and multiple translocation, 13, 14, both of them are involved in multiple myeloma. CD marker is already discussed. Now look at the morphology. Convent gall appearance and smudge cell, majorly in CLL. Mantle zone, obviously mantle zone lymphoma. True follicles, obviously follicular lymphoma. Diffuse aphase melas cells, obviously DLBCL. Vacuolation in bone marrow is Burkitt lymphoma, but starry sky in tumor is Burkitt's lymphoma. Maltoma, all are types of maltoma here. Okay. Here's leukemia, shows Friedreich appearance in the bone marrow biopsy and their various morphology. Especially remember, Dutcher body, Russell body are findings you see in multiple myeloma. Next, we will discuss about the Hodgkin's lymphoma. If it is 15-30 positive, classical, 20 positive, non-classical. Simple. 4 varieties of classical, mixed variety, sclerosis, rich and depleted. Only 1 variety of non-classical, NL, THL. बस treatment क्या है? A, B, V, D therapy. Okay. Now remember, in this M for mixed variety, M for molecular variety. Sclerosis shows lacunar variety, and popcorn cell, whereas L and H variety is seen in NL, THL. Finish हो गया. These all images we have discussed already. Now comes to RBC anemia. यहाँ क्या पढ़ा? Most common defect of HS is ankyrin. Then most common hemolysis, maximum hemolysis occurs in spectrin, but most common defect in HE is what? Spectrin. Okay. The OFT curve shift right side in the HS, left side in microcyte. Finish. Then move to G6 PD deficiency. यहाँ पर infection, favism, drugs are the 3 main causes of the hemolysis. Okay, it shows Bite cells and Heinz bodies. Heinz bodies are seen also in supra-vital staining. This is the basic deficiency of iron deficiency. We'll talk about this in this table form. What happens in table is, in iron deficiency anemia, serum iron low, ferritin low, saturation low. The moment I see ferritin low, TIBC should be high. Sideroblastic anemia is iron overload. So high iron, high ferritin, high TIBC, high saturation, but low TIBC. How to remember? This one and this one will always go opposite according to rule. In ACD, what happens? Ferritin high, and because of high ferritin, such TIBC is low. Plus, because of the inflammation, hepcidin increases. So ferroportin decreases, absorption decreases, so serum iron decreases, saturation decreases. ठीक है. Now we move to the megaloblastic anemia. यहाँ पर क्या पढ़ा? If a patient has increased methylmalonyl coenzyme A and homocysteine is B12, only homocysteine is folic acid deficiency. Folic